Okay, evening everyone. Let's solve mathematics. This question is frustum. As you can see, this is a frustum. Let's solve this question. The figure below is a frustum of the cone. As you can see, there's a small base and a top base there. So this one, it is made from a cone. And the base radius and the top radius are 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters, as you can see. So the base radius is 10 centimeters, top radius is 5 centimeters respectively, while the height is 12 centimeters from this point to meet that point, which is indicated here as 12 centimeters. So quickly, you can copy this question or you can screenshot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this. To solve this question, we need to extend it to a normal shape, a cone. So extend, also extend here, meaning the distance from here up to there. Yeah, as you can see here up to there, 12 centimeters. So the height from here up to there, for the first time, it is 12 centimeters. So here it is 12 centimeters. Then here it is unknown. So you're going to put as letter H. So what you're going to do here is you're going to extract two cones. The first one, you get a bigger cone, which you have from here up to there. The radius is 10 centimeters. And the height here, it is 12 plus h. So I'll say 12 plus h is in centimeters. Then the smaller cone, they want the extension. We have the radius here, it is 5 centimeters. And the height is h. So first thing here you're going to find is the height. So height, we use similar figures, similar shape, which tells that the height of the smaller cone is corresponding by the height of the bigger cone, which is equal to the radius of the smaller cone is corresponding by the radius of the bigger cone. Just a matter of substituting. So what is the height of the smaller cone? From here to there, we say is h over what is the height of the bigger cone? Bigger cone, we know it is 12 plus h, which is 12 plus h equal to radius of the smaller one. We know that radius here it is 5 over radius of the bigger cone from here to there it is what? It is 10. Then from there, if you want, you can reduce or we can solve the way it is. We can just cross multiply, which will give us h times 10. We have a 10h, which is equal to 5 times 12. So we're going to 5 times 12 plus h. We multiply 5 times 12 plus h, which will give us 10h equal to 5 times 12, it is a 60. 5 times h, it is positive 5h. Then from there, grouping like terms, you're going to have 10h. In this come this side, be minus 5h, which is equal to, what's the remaining this side? 60. From there, you're going to say 10h minus 5h, we are going to have a 5h, which is equal to what? 60. Find the h, the height, we say by 5 here, by 5 here, 5 goes, h is equal to 5 into 60. It is how many times? 12 times. So what I'm going to do is, since you have the height of the what is the height of the smaller cone here is also as 12 here. So therefore now, to find the volume of the frustum, the formula is volume is equal to 1 over 1/3 multiplied by pi r, the bigger cone, squared, h, capital letter, minus the volume of the bigger cone, this one, minus the volume of the smaller cone, which is 1 over 3 pi, you use small letter r here, the small letter h. Before you do anything here, you can allow me to factorize what is common. So it should give us 1 over 3, or volume is equal to 1 over 3 is common. So you write 1 over 3 and the pi is common. Then here, radius capital letter, radius is small letter, radius is not common. H capital letter, h small letter is not common. So we write what is remaining. What is remaining here is this r squared, that is r squared h minus here what is many r squared small letter h. Now when you reach at this point, just a matter of plugging in. You have 1 over 3. You have this said take pi to be 3.142. So where there's pi here, you multiply by 3.142. You open the brackets. What's the radius of the bigger one? You have a 10 here. So go to 10 squared multiplied by height. We need to add. From here up to there it is 12. From here up to there is also 12. So height of the bigger cone, we say 12 plus 12. This 12, what you have found here, this 12 here, and that 12 there. So we add. So to give us 24. 12 plus 12. 24 minus radius of the smaller one. Radius is 5, is square. Multiplied by height of the smaller one, we have is a 12. When you have this now here, you can just punch in a calculator. 1 over 3 times pi. Pi is 3.142 taken in the equation. Then open bracket 10 squared times 24 minus 5 squared times 12, close bracket. When you compute this, those are the calculator, it will give us 2199.4 centimeters cubed, which is 2199.4. So for those in need of tuitions, you can kindly